Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance, step by step. Step 1. Open your Binance app. Once you're in, tap the deposit button on the home screen, and then select deposit crypto. Now, choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. And after that, select the network that you want to use. Make sure it matches the one you'll use on Bybit because this is super important to avoid losing your funds. And then copy the deposit address that's shown. Step 2. Open your Bybit app. Tap Assets at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap Withdraw. Select USDT as the asset. And then enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction. Just a quick reminder, before making any transfers, make sure that both your Binance and Bybit accounts are verified. This helps avoid any issues during the process. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Bybit to Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.